Hi guys, you're welcome. Let's consider this question before us. You have 5 plus 6 times 4 divided by 5 times 3. You might want to be tempted to do something like this. You see, because you are solving from left to right, you now say 5 plus 6 will give you 11. Alright, times 4, which will give us what? 44. Then you bring down these two. Alright, you have 5 times 3. 44 divided by 5 is 8.8. Multiplied by 3, we are going to have what? We are going to have 26.4. But guys, this answer is wrong. Why? Because you have different operations here, and there's a rule to apply when you have a question that has different operations. So it's called PEMDAS rule. This P means parentheses, that is bracket. E means exponential, that's power or indices. Then your M is multiplication, division, addition, and the S is subtraction. So we are going to follow this rule, solving from left to right. So there's no pendants, there's no parentheses, there's no exponential. So we are going to start with our multiplication. But first, we need to write out the question again. So you have 5 plus 6 times 4 divided by 5 times 3. Starting from left to right, we do multiplication first. The first multiplication we have here is what? 6 times 4, which is 24. Alright. Then you have your 5 plus, then divided by, this division comes down. Then 5 times 3 will give us what? 15. Having done the multiplication, the next thing that we are going to consider is our division. Okay, now you can decide to write this again as, write it in a fraction way. 24 divided by 15. You bring down this your 5 over 1 to make it a fraction. Remember our butterfly, right? So we are going to apply that here so that we'll not waste time in adding this fraction. All right, so 5 times 15 will give us 75. This your addition sign comes here. 1 times 24 will give us 24. You do your division sign. 1 times 15 will give us what? 15. When you add everything together, you are going to have what? 99 over 15. This answer is correct, but it is an improper fraction. You can write this out. You can break it down to a mixed fraction. So let's go, guys. Improper fraction. We want to break it down now to have our mixed fraction or mixed number. So we have 99 over 15. So 15 will go into 99. How many times? 6 times. Remember what now? Remember 9 over 15. So this is our what? Mixed fraction. So 99 over 15 is correct. 6 whole number, 9 over 15 is correct. Let's see if we can get our answer in decimal form. Okay, in decimal form, we're going to use our long division. All right, so you are going to have 99 divided by 15. Okay, now 15 will go into 99. How many times? 6 times. 15 times 6, what do you have? You are going to have 90. You put your 90 under, then you do your division. Okay, all right, so here is 9, here is 0. 15 cannot go into 9. So you put your point here and add 0. So 15 into 90 will give us 6. 15 times 6 will give us 90. When you minus, you're going to have 0, 0, 0. So guys, our answer in decimal form is 6.6. Okay, so you have 3 answers here. All right, you have your improper fraction, mixed fraction, and your decimal number as your answer. I hope this is very clear. If you have any question, you can always feel free to drop it in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please like this video, share and subscribe if you haven't. Thank you. Bye.